Tomato juice for skin whitening. How I cleared acne and brightened my skin naturally using tomatoes. Do you have acne, pimples, dark spot, acne scars, or stubborn hyperpigmentation that just won't go away? I will show you how to use tomato juice for skin whitening, treat dark spot, remove acne and pimples, and treat hyperpigmentation. This is what my skin used to look like when I was battling with dark spot, acne and pimples, and I used tomato to treat dark spot, acne and pimples. My skin used to be horrible. Talk about acne scars, acne, dark spot, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, melasma, eczema, tinea vesicola. I have been through it all. I kept buying expensive cream that never worked. I started using tomato juice on my face, and the lycopene inside tomato completely changed my skin. My skin became brighter, smoother, clearer, and more glowing naturally. Tomato is rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant known for its anti-aging benefit that makes you age backward, fight free radicals, protect the skin barrier, brighten dull skin, reverse aging signs naturally, and used for safe skin whitening. This tomato face mask is a skincare secret that you've just been missing. I'll show you exactly how I make my powerful tomato face mask for skin whitening, acne treatment, dark spot treatment, pimples treatment, fading acne scars, and getting that glass skin glow using 3 simple kitchen ingredients. Welcome to Rachel Etta Beauty. My name is Rachel. Over here we glow and grow. First, I'm going to grate in the bowl a medium tomato because what we need is the tomato juice. Tomato is rich in vitamin A, C, K, and lycopene. Lycopene is one of the best ingredients for skincare. If you check most of the skincare products, especially the ones used for skin whitening or natural skin whitening, anti-aging, you will see that lycopene has been added inside. Meanwhile, you can get your lycopene directly from the source. I filtered it and added the next ingredient, which is oat. Oat suits irritated skin, calm redness, gently exfoliate dead skin cells, and support healthy glowing skin naturally. I added more of the oat because I want a light paste. Now I mix that to make sure all those clumps are all dissolved in the tomato juice. This is the best treatment for dark spots. I mean the best treatment for acne, the best treatment for pimples. So don't joke with this. Next, I added in a pinch of turmeric. Turmeric is one of the biggest anti-aging secrets in natural skincare. And reverse beauty hacks, I added just a pinch of turmeric because turmeric is hard to wash off the skin, and right now I cannot deal. I allowed it to sit for 10 minutes to kind of dissolve more, so so I'm just going to apply that, but you apply it. You spread that all over your face and neck. Oh, it smells so nice, like oats. I want to eat it. This is one of the best acne treatment ever, the best dark spot treatment, and exactly how to get rid of acne and pimples. It's how cooling it is to the face. It feels so cooling, so fresh. Oh my God. Best skincare hack to add to your skincare routine. It doesn't hurt, it doesn't itch. It feels so cooling, so fresh. When you use it, that's the feeling you get. The calm, you feel the calmness when you use it. You can go ahead and also put it in your neck. But I'm about to go out. If I put it in my neck, I will shower, and I've already showered and I'm going out. They're already waiting for me. I do not have the time to go in the neck and get it all out because, well, I might not be able to wash it well. We're going to allow it for 20 minutes before washing. Now, I have our star ingredients here. If rubbing tomato juice on your skin for skin whitening is going to make your skin beautiful, heal acne, hyperpigmentation, how about eating it? Exactly. You're welcome. Eating tomato is one of the best things you can do for your nutrition. I'm going to chop this in. I'm going to shower, but you have to eat it. You have to eat it. It's for your health. Packed with vitamin A, C, cream. So I'm gonna go wash it. 20 minutes later, I'm gonna go watch it. You are to use this 3 times a week at no consistency skin. You can't do it one time and expect to see a drastic change. You have to continuously use it, just like how you moisturize your skin With consistency, tomato juice will improve the appearance of acne and pimples, acne scars, dark spot, hyperpigmentation, and help you with skin whitening safely and naturally. Even skin tone and texture while giving you a more radiant glow. One thing I personally love with tomato mask is how healthy and fresh my skin now looks after using the tomato face mask, and also is how I have safely used it for skin whitening naturally, and also how it instantly reverse aging and make you age backward. That is one of the best thing in using tomato juice for skin whitening. I took the journey of using natural ingredient to heal my acne and pimples, hyperpigmentation, dark spot, acne scars. I use natural ingredient. I use tomato juice. I use clove water. I used natural products. I use natural ingredients, very natural things after spending a lot of money. But I could use tomato juice for skin whitening safely, without sunburn, without hyperpigmentation. Tomato juice could do that for me. Tomato juice for skin whitening is one of the safest options you have out there. If I can do it, you can do it. Now, me saying all of this does not mean you should not use your skincare. Use skincare. There's nothing like not moisturizing. You have to moisturize, but know the ingredients that are in your moisturizer. Learn to read labels. You watch my channels, I have different ingredients here. You will check, okay, which ingredient is she using to formulate? These are the ingredients you should see on your product and buy. You need to be very careful out there. Tomato juice for skin whitening is an all-rounder. It helps with acne and pimples, scars, and everything. Natural skincare doesn't have to always be expensive. Sometimes the best beauty hacks are already in your kitchen, but you don't even know it yet. That's why you have to keep following this channel, subscribe to this channel, and you learn more. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, click the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one.